My name is Surbhi and I will be your host for this workshop Live the Poetry or Kavita Ki Zindagi. The aim of this video is to answer all the questions that we get regarding the workshop. Well, to start with the first one, will this workshop turn you into a poet? No, not at all. We at Afsane believe, like Buddha, poetry is residing inside all of us. Poetries and stories are what we are made up of. So, yes, we will not turn you into a poet because you are already one. Trust me, you are. But the only difference that is there for the people who write poetry or the people who cannot write poetry or think they can't write poetry, or all of this is actually baseless. The point where the poet inside of us comes out is a place where there's a lot of trust, safety, creativity, spontaneity, encouragement. So, this workshop is exactly that place. The workshop is 2 hours long, and in this 2 hour long journey, for almost 1 hour 45 minutes, we will be dabbling through the activities and exercises from disciplines like theatre, psychodrama, exercises that are focusing on creativity and spontaneity because these are the main ingredient that lurks our poet. We'll be talking about stories, narratives that we have fed us and the ones which we live by. We'll also talk about feelings and memories. It'll be an intersection of all of these themes, interconnected, and all of these activities will be focusing on these main focal items. So you need to be a poet to be in this workshop, or do you need to be a blank novice person? You can be anything. As I said, each one of us has a poet inside. If you have felt the charm of words, or if there is a desire inside of you to write something that has been bubbling inside, then I would say don't think twice. Just hop on this journey with us. Another question that we get asked a lot of times is what language will this workshop be in? Well, this workshop will be in the language primarily Hindi and English, but the language that we would prefer for you to write your poetry in would be your soul language, the language that your dreams are made of, the language that you speak to yourself when you do your self-talk, and the language in which you think inside your brain. That is the language we want you to write poems on. In our previous workshop, we have seen our participants write poetry in English, Hindi, even regional languages like Marathi and Bengali. And trust me, all of them have been charming and heartwarming. So, language is not a barrier. Your exposure to poetry is not a barrier. You might be a very good poet. Just hop along and see and meet fellow poets and be at a space where the conduits and the nurturing place of poetry is created. After the 2 hour workshop, we all would be ending up a workshop with our little pieces of words that we have penned down, and we at Afsane will turn your poem into a heartfelt, warm, filled spoken word rendition that you can check out on our pages, Instagram or YouTube, for the previous participants. And I would promise that this workshop will give you a smile in these difficult times where distances and connections are what we have realized very core to our survival. Let's meet. Let's just sit together and brew some poetry and stories together. Can't wait to meet you. Take care. Please be safe.